In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. First, sign into your Squarespace account so you can access your site editor. Once you're in, head to your website dashboard and open the Pages panel. This is where you can see your site structure and choose exactly where you want to work. Navigate to the page you want to edit and open it in the Fluid Engine editor. If the page uses Fluid Engine, you'll see the grid-based layout with blocks you can move and resize. If you're not already editing, click to enter edit mode so your changes can be made. Add a text block to your layout by selecting the add block option and choosing text. Place it on the grid where you want the content to appear. You can resize the block if needed so it fits your design and keeps your layout clean and readable. Type the text you want to make clickable. Aim for clear, descriptive wording so visitors understand exactly where the link will take them. For example, view our pricing is more helpful than click here, and it's better for accessibility. Highlight the specific part of your text that you want to turn into a link. With that text selected, look for the formatting toolbar and click the chain link icon. This opens the link options window. In the pop-up, choose the type of link you need. Pick external URL to send visitors to another website. Choose site page to link to a page within your own site, which helps keep navigation seamless. Select file if you want to link to a downloadable item like a PDF. You can upload a file or choose one from your library. Use email to create a mail to link that opens a visitor's email client with your address pre-filled. Choose phone to add a tap to call link, which is especially handy for mobile users. For more control, click the gear icon to open additional options. Here, you can have the link open in a new tab, which is recommended for external sites so people don't lose their place on yours. Adjust any settings you need, then confirm. Click apply or save to attach the link to your selected text. You should now see it styled as a link based on your site's design settings. When you're happy with how it looks, publish your changes to make them live on your site. It's a good idea to do a quick preview and test the link to confirm it goes exactly where you expect. That's all it takes to create clean, effective text links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine.